guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Life with Nicole Marie and Gary. Today, you guys, I'm going to be making a loaded potato salad. And this is going to, yes, be served cold. So, right now I've got some bacon going on. I cut it up into, little bite-sized pieces, maybe smaller. I have these little Yukon Gold potatoes. I've already salted my water. The first step to this is render the fat from your bacon, drain it, and cook your taters. So anyways, yeah, y'all, let's get going. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and introduce you to the ingredients you're going to need. Of course, the bacon, potatoes, green onion. You're going to need a bowl. The seasonings of choice I'm using is garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, parsley, Miracle Whip. You also could do half mayo, Miracle Whip, and sour cream. Add the seasonings that make your heart happy, but these are the seasonings I'm using today. So when the bacon's done and the potatoes done, we'll be back and assemble. And just cut these up small. You know what I mean? Just chop these up fine. I'm not going to take you through the cutting process of that, but that's what I'm going to do. You're also going to need to put cheese in it too. I forgot. I apologize. But Gouda cheese. Gouda cheese is what we're using. You can use any cheese of your choice, and I've got to shred this. You can shred it. I'm going to probably do about half the block. Alright, you guys, so the potatoes are cooked, they're fork tender, so make sure you get them to their fork tender. And what I'm going to do is these bigger potatoes compared to these smaller potatoes, this I'll cut in half, this I'll probably cut in fours, and so forth. Just make them bite-sized. I also reserved some cheese, green onion, and bacon for garnish. So I'm just going to show you right quick over here that something like that, this size, I'll just go ahead and cut them into bite-sized pieces like so. So I'm not going to hold you through the whole process, but that's how I'm going to do it. Alright, you guys, now we're going to go ahead and prepare the dressing. And you didn't see any salt because we have to watch out for a lot of the salt content that we have. So the bacon, between the bacon and the cheese and Miracle Whip here, it does have salt in it as well. So that's plenty for us, but feel free to go ahead and add as much salt as you like. But we're going to go ahead and put, I think that's about half a cup. We're just going to go with that. If we need to make additional, we will. But I'm going to go ahead and just go with that. You're going to put some garlic powder. And I'm just eyeballing it. Onion powder. And mind you that the Miracle Whip, you can use, like I said, anything that you prefer. This is the way I'm doing it. Some pepper. Some parsley. You could also use ranch seasoning. That would be a good alternative too. And some paprika. And there's many different ways to make this. I was just perusing on the internet. But I'm like, you know what? We like twice baked potatoes. So why not try this? And the paprika will turn your stuff. A lot of people just add it on top for color, but I'm going to go ahead and do it that way. You can add hot sauce to it if you like. Whatever your heart desires. Let's go ahead and get everything in there with the potatoes. So we're going to go ahead and get the bacon, the cheese. You can use any cheese you like. If you wanted to use a smoked cheese, that would be delicious. The green onion. I'm going to go ahead and give her just a mix, just to mix everybody in there, like so. Then we'll go ahead and add our dressing. We'll just go ahead and scrape the bowl. We'll go ahead and give her a mix. And like I said, you can add as much mixed salad or your dressing on here. You can do as little or as much as you like. I'm just doing it to evenly coat everything. Do it when your potatoes are kind of warm, so it soaks in. And I feel that I could probably go for a little bit of more dressing on here, I feel. So I'm going to go ahead and make a little bit more the same way and add it to it, and then I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so I added a little more dressing in there. Let's go ahead and get her into our bowl. Now I'm just doing this for video purposes, to make it look nice for a thumbnail, but typically I would just go ahead, put it in whatever Tupperware container, and then, which I probably will afterwards, but for the purposes of video. So for the garnish, we'll go ahead and put our cheese. Next, we'll go ahead, put our green onion on there, and our bacon. And there y'all have it. There is the loaded potato salad. I hope you do give this recipe a try, or if you do have a recipe of your own, let me know. I'd sure like to see what you put into your loaded potato salad. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, you guys. Until next video, stay blessed, stay safe. Thank you for all our new subscribers, as well as everyone returning. And it's also Labor Day weekend, so have a safe and wonderful weekend. Or if you get this, I'm going to try to get the video out during the weekend, so safe travels. Until next video, guys, take care. Bye.